Now, here we have my wet vac. So the wet vac in this case is a vac machine. There's lots of different brands available, and we're going to wet vac the flooring here. And we're going to start at one side and we're going to work our way back in the other direction. We're going to do this bit as well where the lead is. Now, first I'll be putting down the soap and the water, and then I'll be going back and extracting it back out the other side again. So we should see some real dirt come out of this. Be interesting to see exactly what it looks like, but yes, we should see some real dirt come out of it. And it should help a lot. So we'll give it a go. It'll get quite noisy, so I'll not comment halfway through, but I might do a voiceover and we'll then be able to see what it gets out of the carpet. Okay, we'll give it a go. I'll put a link in the description to the vac machine that I use, so if you wish to have one, you can get the same model that I've got, but there are many different types available. I stick with vacs, but yeah, lots of different ones available. The black water coming out now. So, as we can see, here is the water that's come out of it. just from doing this little bit. I will continue on to do the rest. But as you can see, it is black, absolutely black water coming out of here.